Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2018 200 cruiser. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 115 outboard. As you can see, the boat has a full isinglass enclosure. Super clean boat. About 60 hours on this boat. This is really nice for cruising in the lake on a nice crisp fall or winter morning. Full instrumentation on this boat. Like I said, very low hours. We have a Hummingbird on here, Bluetooth stereo. Real nice. Mercury 115 outboard. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, give me a call. My name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.